Hey WeSo family! Welcome back to another episode of WeSo Health Tips, where tradition meets wellness. Today, we're diving into one of nature's sweetest gifts, sugarcane. You've probably chewed it, sipped it, or seen it growing tall and proud in the fields. But did you know it's packed with health benefits and has a global story that spans thousands of years? Stick around, we're unpacking the good, the not so good, and the fascinating journey of sugarcane across cultures. Let's start with the health perks. Sugarcane isn't just a sugar rush, it's a natural powerhouse. Sugarcane contains natural sugars like glucose and sucrose that give you an instant energy boost, perfect for hot days or post-workout recovery. It also has complex carbs that digest slowly, keeping your energy levels steady. That natural glucose helps maintain muscle strength. And it's not just about muscles. Sugarcane may support your heart, kidneys, stomach, and even reproductive health. In traditional medicine, sugarcane juice is used to treat jaundice by regulating liver function. It helps prevent protein loss during fever and soothes sore throats. Rich in antioxidants, sugarcane helps fight infections and normalize bilirubin level. It's also great for digestion. Thanks to its potassium content, it can relieve constipation and keep your gut happy. Sugarcane juice is a natural hydrator, especially in tropical climates. It supports kidney health and may help prevent kidney stones. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, potentially slowing down skin aging. Some compounds in sugarcane may calm the nervous system. It's also linked to better cardiovascular health, helping regulate cholesterol and blood pressure. That's a lot of goodness packed into one stalk. But like anything sweet, moderation is key. Let's talk balance. Too much sugarcane, especially in juice or processed form, can tip the scales. Overdoing it can impair insulin sensitivity and raise your risk of type 2 diabetes. It's calorie-dense, so it may contribute to weight gain if consumed excessively. Natural sugars feed oral bacteria, which produce acids that erode enamel, cavities. High sugar intake is linked to elevated triglycerides, blood pressure, and inflammation. Sugar spikes followed by crashes can leave you feeling tired and moody. Blood sugar instability may lead to irritability and poor sleep. Excess sugar can trigger acne and accelerate skin aging through a process called glycation. High fructose intake may contribute to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Sugar can irritate the gut, especially for those with IBS or sensitive digestion. So enjoy sugarcane, but treat it like a treat, not a staple. Now let's rewind the clock. Sugarcane's story begins in New Guinea around 8000 BCE, where the Papuan people first domesticated it. From there, it hitched a ride with Austronesian sailors to Polynesia, Madagascar, India, and southern China. In India, sugarcane became central to early sugar production. Sanskrit texts from 1500 BC mention its cultivation. Persians and Greeks called it reeds that produce honey without bees. Sugarcane spread through trade and conquest, from the Islamic world to Europe. By the 1490s, Europeans introduced it to the Caribbean and the Americas, fueling massive plantations and, sadly, the transatlantic slave trade. It's a plant with a sweet taste and a bittersweet history. Let's take a global tour of how sugarcane is enjoyed today. India. Chewed raw, juiced with lemon and ginger, and boiled into jaggery for sweets and Ayurvedic remedies. Brazil. Sipped as caldo de cana, distilled into cachaca, and even used for biofuel. China. Boiled in herbal soups and used to cool the body in traditional medicine. Jamaica. Chewed raw, juiced with lime or ginger, and transformed into world-famous rum. Thailand. Juiced with pandan, added to curries and sauces for subtle sweetness. Southern U.S. Molasses for baking and barbecue, plus sugarcane festivals in Louisiana. Polynesia and Pacific Islands. Chewed for hydration and featured in ceremonial rituals. Sugarcane is a cultural chameleon, sweetening traditions from street stalls to sacred ceremonies. So whether you're sipping it, chewing it, or cooking with it, sugarcane connects us through flavor, healing, and history. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of nature's sweetest remedies, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to WeSo Health Tips. Drop a comment below. How is sugarcane used in your culture? And what natural remedy should we explore next? Until then, stay sweet, stay curious, and stay healthy.